guys, today I'm gonna to give you a big surprise for this new video. Today I have found two little baby birds.
This is the moment when Ghiaccio met the little birds, and I think this is a magic moment because he even didn't know what they were, and he was so sweet with them. He started smiling and playing with them, and this is all his. When they get confidently, they start singing because they were hungry, so we cooked baby's bird's meal. In fact, this is the baby bird's meal, and also Ghiaccio wanted some. And here are the little babies eating their meal. They like it. Here you can see a Ghiaccio that was trying to eat the bird's meal. How cute is him? Oh, instead here is Chloe, but she is dangerous, so we put her inside because she wanted to eat the little birds. So we put them here in this big pot with some plants, they have food and some water, and they're going to stay here until they learn to fly. Right, little baby? You can see here the little bird that jumped on my phone. If you have liked the video and you want to see the continue and how the little birds grew up, put a big like, subscribe to my channel and say a big comment. I'll wait you on the next video. Bye bye!